Hi guys, it's kit day in the scrap room, which is my very favorite day of the month. I love unboxing these kits, and I purposely don't look at the kits ahead of time just so that I can be totally surprised and share my reactions to the kit contents with you guys. I want to give a great big giant thank you and Happy New Year to Kimberly at the Hip Kit Club for supplying me with these kits. The Hip Kit Club's ongoing support of my channel is something that I just can't be thankful enough for. I really appreciate how they have supported me throughout the years in my channel, and it really does allow me to be able to focus on just creating new content in the form of process videos for you guys without having to worry about where I'm going to get my supplies from. So thank you to them. These kits are always very beautiful and they're so perfectly matched to my style. I adore working with them. So let's get on and talk about what comes in this beautiful box filled with supplies. So I have the December kit here. It is January 4th today, and we are going to have a giant snowstorm in my city today. So I'm filming this right now, which is fairly early in the morning. I did go and get some groceries already to stock up, get my storm chips and whatnot. But I'm going to film this now because I really want to make sure that I get it filmed before the power goes out, and that way if the power does go out, that's when I can do things like tidy up my scrap room and stuff. So although I have kind of pushed all of my December documented supplies out of frame, you guys can rest assured that there's a giant pile of stuff just out of frame here and another giant pile right here. I will get to cleaning that, so I'll actually get to use these supplies perhaps over the weekend, or if not, into next week. So I'm going to unbox and show you guys the goodies that come in all of these kits, and I often break it up so that I include all of the scrapbooking kits in one separate video. That's what you'll see in this video, and then I'll show the Project Life kit as a separate video. And so I'll start by showing you guys what comes in the main kit. So the main kit for December, the regular price is $34.95. If you subscribe to the Kit Club, you do get a discount. So the kit is $29.95 if you're a Kit Club member, and you also get other perks with membership. So not only do you automatically get each kit each month, and you can choose any add-ons or other kits that you'd like to add to your order, and those are shipped for free with your kit. So with the same, within the cost of the shipping of your kit, they'll put in any other things that you want to add with no additional shipping cost. You get a reduced price on your main kit, which goes from $34.95 down to $29.95. You get cut files each month, and you get a 15% discount on any add-ons that you get with your kit as well. So if you're going to be scrapbooking every month and want new supplies coming in every month, a membership is really worthwhile for those additional perks. So let's see what paper we get in the December kit. This first one is beautiful, and I thought it might be by my good friend Irit Landgraf. This is a beautiful blue, aqua-y blue watercolor, and this will make a gorgeous background paper. I love this. And then get a load of this. It's all these swatches of color, just broad stripes in watercolor. So beautiful. This is called Color Dazzle by Irit Landgraf. And this one is called Rainbow. And look at the texture that is printed into that paper. I love the texture of watercolor paper. And this is on a smooth paper, but you can see the texture. It's like a photorealistic image of a watercolor paper. That is so pretty. I'm going to move these out of the way so they don't fall off my desk. Then we have, this is a paper from Crate Paper Good Vibes collection. It has all these bars of color all over it. It's really fun, different paper. The flip side is this kind of bluey purpley color with a black polka dot on it. Really nice. And another beautiful watercolored page by Irit. We have these yellow and pink watercolored roses. So pretty, and the splatter is so gorgeous. These kinds of papers make such beautiful backgrounds for people who can't do watercolor themselves or don't want to give it a try, or just want to kind of have something already look beautiful without having to take that extra step of pulling out your mixed media supplies. Of course, mixed media supplies are so much fun to work with, and I will talk about that a little bit more when we get to the color kit, but sometimes you just want to go quickly and have something beautiful to work on as your background. Of course, you could also cut this up and use it for layers and whatnot. And here's the back side of this one. More of the same shades of pink and yellow, which is one of my favorite color combinations. I love pink and yellow. Now, more from Crepe Paper Good Vibes. We have this paper that has all of these birds amongst some florals and leaves. That's how it looks up close. Flip it over, and the back side is a craft with more of those dots. And I think I called it a polka dot before, but I think of a polka dot as more random or spread out. This is like dots on a grid. More from the Crepe Paper Good Vibes. This one has tons of ampersands all over it, and I love ampersands. They're one of my favorite symbols. And you could cut these out. They're all on rectangles or squares. Flip it over, and you've got another really beautiful background paper that has the mixed media look to it. It looks like it's got swatches of paints over a patterned background. This one is also from Crepe Paper Good Vibes, and I really love this black and white print. You guys know I love to have at least one black and white print in all of my pattern papers that I work with, so yay! I do have a little stash that I keep on hand just in case a kit doesn't come with one, but I love, usually the Hip Kits Club kits do come with at least one black and white paper. I love this one. This one is called You Rock. It has all these little square boxes all over it. I love it. It makes a beautiful mat. I often use my black and white photos, or my black and white pattern papers, sorry, as a mat like that. I like that. This one is nice because it has that random look. The flip side of this is things taped onto something. I don't know what exactly this is. It looks like it might be a mask or a template or something that's been laid out and taped down. It looks like definitely a work in progress of some sort. And hooray for another. Wait a minute. Is this another? Yeah. A third pattern paper from Irite. That is fabulous. I love this. So it has the yellows, it has the pinks, it has a little bit of the greens right here. So, so pretty. And the other side is purple. And of course, the Pantone color of the year is ultraviolet purple. And this is a beautiful shade of purple. I don't know if it's that exact color, but it's pretty similar. And I like the strip on this one too. This is so pretty. I am so happy to have some of her beautiful papers to work with. We have Crepe Paper Main Squeeze right here. This has, looks like it's their Valentine's themed paper, and this is like a gingham pattern, but it's an imperfect gingham pattern. You've got like little streaks of white. I don't know if it's supposed to look like there's little tears in the ribbon or what the case is. Oh, I love this. This is gorgeous. It's mint green with these lines of white hearts on it in 2 different sizes, and I adore this paper. Ah, I love it. Love, love, love. Totally going to use that side. And here's another black and white print. This one is from Good Vibes. It's called Flourish, and I love this casual hand-drawn doodly kind of foliage. This is really, really pretty. The flip side is a basic pink tone-on-tone with little squares all over it. And that's how it looks from a distance. Very pretty. I love this kit. And coming out of Christmas, where I've been using so many reds and greens and golds, it's so nice to have pinks again because I love pink. So let's see what else comes in the main kit. We have a set of thickers. These are called Together, and they're white foam thickers with a gold glitter topping. So that's how they look. I repackaged my thickers into 6 by 12 inch clear poly bags. If you search on eBay for 6 by 12 clear poly bags, you will find these. I use the 4 mil thickness because I like the weight. I like that it's not the crinkly type of plastic. Like the original packaging is more of the crinkly. Hear it? It doesn't make that noise. It's more of a floppy plastic. So I like the 4 mils. I have bought the 2 mils before, and they are more of the crinkly plastic, and they work fine. I just prefer these ones. It's just about personal preference. So I just remove the packaging from the thickers and slide it in. And the benefit to doing it this way is that you see how easily those slide in when you're finished using them. It makes cleanup so much easier. And I'm much more likely to put away things as I go when I have my thickers repackaged into these clear poly bags. So that font is really, really nice. I love that it's uppercase. I love that it's blocky. It's really wonderful in many ways. Then this is a set of little stars. It's called Stitched Stars, and they're by Pink Fresh Studio, and they're called the Mix. I don't know if that's the collection, but I'm guessing it is. And these are really, really cute. I think we got something like this from Pink Fresh not so long ago, but with a different color scheme. And they're basically gold stars with vellum. They might not all be gold, but yeah, it looks like they are. They're gold stars with little pieces of vellum stitched on top, and you can kind of peel it up to separate it to really emphasize the layered nature of these, or you could just leave them flat if you like them how they are. And I just got back from the grocery store where I bought this new bowl. I thought that this was a nice dish for me to put little things like this in on my desk. So I'll just put these little Pink Fresh stars in my cute little bowl. So then we have these are called High Five Puffy stickers, and they have all these words all over them, like chill, smile, happy, best day, dream, you're awesome, best friend, what does this say? Wowza, I guess. Hooray, squad, far out, relax, fan, oh so happy, and yay. And a couple more on there, as well as a few stars. So these are really nice accent stickers, but they also make really nice titles. And I'm going to repackage them. I don't always repackage thicker stickers like I always do it with letters, because letters, I consider letter stickers to be long-term items that stay in my stash and can be used again and again and again. Whereas sometimes these word stickers are more trendy, and there's less of them in a pack, so you can use them up more easily, more quickly, and so they might not last in my stash quite as long as a set of letters do. So I don't always repackage them, but I'm going to repackage these just to make it easy on myself to tidy up when I'm finished scrapbooking between each session. Let's see this. These are some Vicky Bouton embellishments. And let's see what they are. Looks like enamel dots or epoxy stickers. I do like to get rid of my packaging as I'm unkitting a kit, like as I'm unboxing a kit, because it makes it easier for me to reach for items and use them when I'm scrapbooking. So these feel like epoxy stickers that are little dots, and then these are more similar to enamel dots. They have a bit more dimension to them. And then these are like chipboard embellishments that have a foam sticker on them. Oh, pardon me. I'm having a huge sneezing attack here. I'm sorry. So anyhow, as I was saying, these stickers are cardstock stickers that oh my goodness. Cardstock stickers that have a foam sticker on the back of them, like a piece of foam adhesive. Oh my goodness. I hope I can get through this video. My eyes are closing. I'm tearing up. Oh, this is bad. Must scrapbook today. Can't lose a day to a cold. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. All right. Moving on. We have these, if this ephemera pack, it's from the Good Vibes collection from Crepe Paper. Here are all of the pieces that come in it. And I'm going to grab a valet tray. So these are little leather or pleather, I don't know exactly what they're made out of, but little trays. I've received a lot of questions about where I get these. These are from Chapters in Indigo, which is a big box bookstore in Canada, kind of like Barnes & Noble, and it has a gift shop. I mean, I've never been to Barnes & Noble, but I think it's the same. It has like a gift type of area up by the cash register, and these are incredibly expensive when they first come out, but if you are just patient, they're not the most popular item in the world, and so they're probably still going to be hanging around when they go on clearance to make room for the next round of gifts that they bring in. And so if you ever see these at Chapters, just have a look and wait for them to go on sale, because I got these for $4 each, which was much, much better. I think they were listed at $12 or $14 originally, which is, they're totally not worth that. I also have heard recently that they're available at Target in the dollar spot. So you Americans can check out your Target looking for some of these valet trays. I use them for keeping my embellishments in throughout the month. So we have two different bags of embellishments here with this package. And so I will show you, I'm not going to show you every single one because the video would be way too long, but I'll just hold up an assortment. I'll spread them out so that you can see how they look. There's some frames, some journaling cards. This is the days of the week. Oh, this is a really interesting tag. It picks up on that grid dotted look that's in a couple of the pattern papers in the kit. Some other things, and there is some real cork. This isn't like printed looking cork, this is actual cork. Some cork elements as well. Oh my goodness, it's like I instantly came down with a cold all at once. Now I have every symptom of a cold. I have a headache and a stuffy runny nose and yeah, stuffy head. Oh baby, I was fine 2 minutes ago. We have some cork stars here. 4 of them. And then some other printed, these are not real cork, this is like paper that's printed to look like cork. But lots of little elements as well. Little bird and some more cork. Printed paper cork. Best friends, fun, some cacti, a car. Oh, that's like an ice cream truck or food truck, I guess. This is happening, so it's nice. Nice little package. This includes